Welcome to our Kundrathur site. In today's video, we take you through the step-by-step execution of an isolated footing designed for a stilt plus 3-floor structure. With premium materials like ARS, CRS, 550 TMT Steel, JSW Concrele HD Cement, and M25 Grade Concrete, we ensure strength, stability, and long-term durability. Step-by-step execution 1. Laying the column. We begin by positioning and fixing the column reinforcement accurately as per the structural drawings. Two, binding the second layer mat. The reinforcement mat is tied securely, ensuring proper spacing and alignment for optimal load distribution. 3. Concrete mixing for the mat. M25 Grade Concrete is mixed on site, maintaining the right proportions for strength and workability. 4. Pouring the mat concrete. Once the mix is ready, we start pouring the concrete evenly across the 6.5 by 6.5 footing area. 5. Using a vibrator for compaction. A needle vibrator is used throughout the mat pour to eliminate air gaps and achieve a dense, durable concrete finish. 6. Finishing the mat concrete. The surface is leveled and finished smoothly, ensuring a uniform base for the next steps. Once the initial set is complete, curing preparations ensure the concrete develops full strength. Accurate marking is done over the cured mat to position the starter column. 9th concrete is poured for the starter, maintaining alignment and verticality. 10 box fixing shuttering is fixed securely around the starter area to prepare for the next pour. Used concrete is poured inside the box, again using a vibrator to achieve maximum compaction and strength. The isolated footing is now complete, strong, precise, and ready for the next stage of construction.